So today I'm going to show you how to make your first deposit on the Acorns investing app. So we're going to have the app loaded up here in real time so you can see exactly how to go step by step. So we're here on the main page of Acorns. You can see right now I have a regular investing account, which is a taxable one. So you can see at the top where it says invest for your future, that option has a little bit of money in there. We're going to click this option, and at very front and center, you're going to see an option that says one time. We're going to go ahead and click on this button right over here. And it's going to ask us how much we want to have deposited. Now, this actually gives us some denominations already, or you can go ahead and click on custom amount. So you can choose however much you want with a minimum of $5. So once you go ahead and type in that number or press in that button, click on the word invest at the bottom here. And then what it's going to do is it's going to confirm for you, making sure that's exactly the amount you want. Clicking on confirm will then go ahead and get the process started for you so you can have that money start working for you. Now, if you want to learn how to sell some of your investments with Acorns, check out my video right over here to learn exactly how to do that. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.